What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing for you today, another review, and for today it is the wireless charging dock for your iPhone, your Apple Watch, or your AirPods. The actual company is UUTO, UUTO, on Amazon. I will leave a link in the description for you guys. Don't worry, I won't leave you hanging. You are going to want to pick this particular item up, especially if you have issues with your charging cords and you're always buying new cords because they bend, they twist, they break. This is definitely something that you're going to want to pick up. Let's get straight into it. I will also show you guys how it works. This is my first time opening it here. Oh wow, it looks pretty cool. Comes with the piece to help it stick, I think, onto the station. The C-type cord itself. I believe it is C-type. Yes, it's C-type. Oh wow. That's pretty cool. Comes with the instructions. This is what it looks like here. Pull that off. Okay, so I'm figuring that this goes on the back here, so it sticks and stays. It doesn't slide around. But I will go ahead and show you guys exactly how this thing works. I have my Apple Watch with me, my AirPods, and my iPhone, so that way I can show you guys. Okay, so obviously you plug your cord in here. Boom. And then you plug it into the wall or plug it into, in my case, I have my laptop over here. Okay. Now I don't see a oh, I do see lights. I was gonna say, I don't know if I see a light or not. There's lights here showing that it's connected. I guess it only flashes one time, but I don't know exactly how well. Oh shoot, look at that. Right off the bat, as soon as you place it down on there, it works. Take it off, it's no longer charging. That's pretty damn cool. I like that. Awesome. Now let's test out the AirPods while it's in the case. And keep in mind, guys, the phone also has a case on it. It is a case that is compatible with wireless charging. So when you're picking up a case, make sure that it is something make sure when you're picking up a case that it is an actual phone case that, you know, is compatible with wireless charging. Now, my AirPods, I'm not entirely sure. It's a spec case. I'm not entirely sure if they are compatible with wireless charging, but we're going to give it a shot here. Okay, maybe you gotta go on this platform here. Alright, so it's not working in the case. Let's try them outside the case. Okay, so the AirPods work too. It's gotta be outside the case though. Maybe I'll have to look into getting a wireless charging case, wireless charging compatible case for these. But I really like this case, so I'm not entirely sure I'm going to do that. Let's see. Apple Watch. I'm assuming it goes on this one there. And there it is, charging. Put the phone on it. And there it is. Okay. Perfect little item. You know, if you got a nice little nightstand, you know, you could just set them on there. You don't have to worry about plugging your charger in and out. You know, you just leave it plugged in and you just, you know, plop your phone down. After a long day, you just want to lay down, go to sleep. And there you go. Like I said before, I will leave a link down in the description for you guys. Smash a like if you enjoyed the video, if it helped you make your decision on whether to buy something like this or not. And then subscribe to the channel if you want to see more like this. Alright, thanks a lot guys. Peace.